Hi there. I am Teacher Love from the Philippines. I am a licensed public school teacher. My full name is Loveline Benitez Lumetic. I am currently teaching in Francisco P. Consolacion National High School for 15 years now. I am teaching English subjects, handling grade 7, grade 8, and grade 9 students. I am also requested to teach grade 11 senior high school students, teaching oral communication in context and reading and writing subjects. I finished Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in English at St. Columban College here in the Philippines in the year 2006. I also got my master's degree in educational management in the same school in the year 2018. I have been recognized as an outstanding and model teacher in our school. Additionally, I am a dedicated teacher and very passionate with my work. I integrate interactive, student centered strategies that promote both fluency and critical thinking. I also incorporate fun and enjoyable learning strategies like games, songs, role playing, and more, which are culture sensitive. I believe that the learners learn best when they are having fun while learning inside and even outside of the classroom. I also strive to be a teacher who does not only teaches English but also builds confidence and life skills among students. I am so excited to teach there in Taiwan. I am looking forward for a positive result with my application as a foreign English teacher in your country. Thank you and God bless you.